Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Dil Uzatmak. So let's start. Dil uzatmak. Dil uzatmak. Dil uzatmak. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Dil uzatmak is to stretch out tongue, while the figurative meaning of the idiom is to defame, to malign, or to verbally attack someone. Basically, it's an act of talking negatively about someone and most probably unfairly. Let's see some examples now. Bize dil uzatamazsın. You cannot malign us. Bize dil uzatamazsın. Adam herkese dil uzatıyor. The man maligns everyone. Adam herkese dil uzatıyor. Bu insanlara dil uzatmak doğru değil. It's not right to malign these people. Bu insanlara dil uzatmak doğru değil. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.